Hi guys! Let me bring you to a quiet little escape here in El Nido. Isang place na automatic slowdown talaga pagdating mo. Welcome to Alon Hotel. Dito, your morning starts soft. Yung sunlight na pahangin pasok sa bintana. Green rice fields sa labas at yung preskong hangin na only the countryside can give. Sobrang peaceful. Yung klase ng peace na hindi mo alam na kailangan mo pala. Alon Hotel is just a few minutes away from Nakpan Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Kaya kung explore mood ka, rest day, or gusto mo lang mag-reset, perfect ang location mo. Ang pinakagusto ko dito, yung vibe, minimalist, eco-inspired at very warm. Every corner feels intentional. Every detail parang ginawa para huminga ka ng mas malalim at makarelax ng totoo. Please check the details and comments below about this hotel. Bye!